you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh,
Hi, welcome back guys. So today I'm here with Alipearl here again, and then see what the box I bust up. So you know, so that box here, it's fully loaded. The tear and so that happened, I guess, during shipment. So yeah, it has their brand and their name listed on the front. First thing I'm seeing is the wig, but before I get to that, let's see what else we got in today's box. I got this elastic band, and I got this like scarf. This is a really cute one. Okay, cool. Them sent things. Now today's package. Oh, they sent a nice wispy pair of lashes here. It's thin, you know, it's not too bold. It's for the people that might like that more simplistic look. I also got a headband branded Alipearl, edge brush and comb, wig cap, and I also got a little information card here. It has how to maintain and take care of your wig on it and all those stuff, so that's good. And this is the final thing in today's package. Got this drawstring bag branded Alipearl. You know, this is great for storage after you wear your wig and cleanse it and you're just ready to store it again. These bags always come in handy. So that's everything apart from the wig. So let's get into what today's wig is. Okay, so for today's wig, I got this gorgeous soft deep wave 24-inch wig. This is a undetectable lace. They say it's a 13 by 4 lace front. That's how that looks. It has 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. It also came pre-plucked, and for today's install I want to go ahead and use glue, and I'm gonna be trying out Ghost Bond for the first time. So yeah, yeah, it's pretty full to the end. It's very soft. Am I getting any shedding? Let's see. I got 1 strand so far. No more strand. Yes, I got like 2 more strands. So minimal shedding straight out of the packaging. It's really nice. It's a beautiful 1B color, so you know that's gonna come off natural. The weight, it's 180% in density. It's not overly weighty, but you know, it does have a little weight to it, and it's a medium cap size. So now that I got through all the specs with you guys, let me go ahead and jump into installing this. Okay guys, so as you can see, listen, I know my makeup looks weird, but I deliberately wiped away all the makeup there in that region where I applied the glue, and I applied 3 layers of that. Of course, you have to wait until the glue is like clear before you put your lace down. And it was my first time using the Ghost Bond. It wasn't bad at all, you know. It had a really nice firm grip, so I liked that. After I applied the glue and I laid down the lace, I used my elastic band to further melt the lace in, and I must say I really like the way that the lace melted down. Definitely HD, definitely. So if you're looking for a good HD curly or deep wavy rather wig, this one it's good. I really look at that. And if there are areas like after you apply your initial like layers of glue, or your initial layer of glue, and you've laid your lace, and when you cut it and you see that you have little parts that didn't get enough glue, you can always go back in like what I did here and, you know, fix that. And it had a really firm grip, as I said before. I wasn't mad at it at all. So I really like that I use my comb to kind of just press everything in, get it laid, and I even use my blow dryer as well. So I kind of fast forwarded. I took out some of the hairs in the front that I wanted to use and to make my like baby hairs, or edges rather. This is so optional. If you don't like swoops, if you don't like baby hairs, if that's not your thing, totally skip that step and pull everything back, because this the plucked, it came pre-plucked. so it looked pretty good. So feel free to do that if that's what you prefer. This is all about preference. So if this is not your thing, you can even speed up and not watch this portion. So I've been doing, well, this is my second time trying out the soft method, and I'm not gonna lie, this is easier. It's harder than it looks on camera. Like, I watched a bunch of tutorials of like how to do this, and it's like you have to be patient and really, you know, kind of take your time to form, even though that's what the curling iron does. It's really helping you to form out your soups better and stuff, but it's not as easy as it looks. So I definitely will be practicing that a little bit more. I did that in combination with just some got2b spray on my brush, and yeah, I use my hot comb to just lay the roots of the wig. You know, I always do this, and then to further camouflage that parting and make it look better and more decent, I use some concealer with my rat tail comb. And yeah, I moved on to using my Naked at Home Glow Gloss. Listen, this made the hair look so good, and I only use this on like my curly textures. If you use it on straight textures, it's gonna look like it's gonna look way too shiny, so I don't do that. But I use that in combination with some water, and I just brush through the hair, and the hair was already so soft, and adding this to it just added more shine, and it looked really good. And yeah, I loved it. And I didn't want the hair to become too weighed down or have the constant wet look for this specific look today, so I didn't use any conditioner or like curling product or anything like that. I just used the water with the gloss, and the gloss is very lightweight. It's not heavy on the hair or anything, so once this is completely dry, it will poof up back, but with that sheen, and it will just look really nice and defined. All done. It's really nice. It's the first time I'm using Ghost Bond. It's not bad at all. And if you guys are wondering what I spray in the hair, so I used this, which gave it a really beautiful sheen. The name of this is Naked at Home Glow Finishing Gloss. So it's really like a gloss, and it's very lightweight. And then I used some water in combination with that. No, I didn't want any conditioner in there just because I do want it to get back the volume. But the reason why I apply this, you know, sometimes with curly hair can get dry looking. So yeah, oh my god, it's so soft. It is so soft. This is the length. It's 24 inches, as I said before. It looks so good. Again, you don't have to do all these baby hairs. Yeah. It's really nice, really nice. I'm gonna leave all the specs on this wig in my description box, so if you're interested in getting this wig, you can go ahead and do so. This direct link, all that good stuff, it's going to be in the description box. Shout out to Alipearl hair. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know when my heart be needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me